Hey guys, it is the morning of day 4 for at least my 7-day detox, and I know that this comes up a lot with people as they're doing it, so I thought I would have a conversation about what your digestion will often do while you're on the program, because I'm going through it for sure. Day 3 was probably my worst day. I had just a low-grade headache the majority of the day. Hi there. I also was feeling just like really irritable and tired and just not feeling great and pretty much like over the whole detox to begin with, as I'm sure all of you have experienced or are experiencing. But the biggest thing that I've been noticing is just the changes to my bowel movements and the gas that I've been having. And it hasn't been excessive, but a lot of people complain about gas and bloating while you're on the program. There's a few reasons why that will happen. For me, I've done this 5 times, and I found the first time it was always the worst, and then after that it was okay. It can be a couple of things. One, it could just be your body adjusting to a complete change of where you're getting your calories from, what foods you are eating now that you don't typically have before. There could be definitely a little bit of die-off going on, so if there was a little bit of yeast overgrowth or parasites or some sort of imbalance that way, your body with this new diet is actually starving them out, so they can get a little bit upset and then therefore cause some digestive upset. It could be a little bit of withdrawal symptoms that you're having, withdrawal from sugar, from caffeine if you're avoiding that, even just switching up your carbohydrates to predominantly a protein and carbohydrate based meal. Hi, Kate. All of those things can cause that digestive upset that you're experiencing. On top of that, where I think it's coming from for me is now I'm eating like an avocado a day, and I'm having a lot of olive oil on my vegetables, which I don't normally have. So just by increasing the fat content, I find that my bowels respond no different than if you're transitioning into keto. So I'll find a lot of people for the first week or two on the keto diet will experience the same thing. And I certainly have, because I've been having more bulletproof coffee, as I said, more fats coming from avocados, olive oils, that type of thing. And my body, quite frankly, isn't used to that. So it will also cause digestive upset, gas, or bloating, and you might notice that the stool is a little bit slimier or stickier. You're having like a lot more smellier flatulence. All of that could just be your body now adjusting to a new source of calories to where it's getting its fuel from, as opposed to carbohydrates. And then the only other thing that I could think of is as your body is going through this transition, as you are healing, it's often normal for the body to kind of flare up before it gets better. And I feel that the worse your IBS was before you started the program, oftentimes the worse the gas and bloating is as your body is readjusting. Typically, by day 5 or day 6, a lot of this should be normalized again. But I just wanted to come on and say I'm not immune to the symptoms that you're having, and I'm experiencing that right now. And that's just because that's just the nature of the beast when it comes to those foods. But if you are struggling, post it below this video and we can see how we can help you, because there's a lot of different tummy aches. But in the meantime, keep going. I'm going with you. It is not fun, but I'm doing it, and I look forward to be finished. But I am really happy that I'm doing it, and I'm happy you're doing it with me. So let me know how it's going.